Let me sit down. Hello, everyone. Alexis here, the crazy crafter. I'm just crafting my life away. Well, not really. Ladies and gentlemen, how y'all doing? I know it's been a while, but I had to have total hip replacement surgery, so I'm still in the recuperating stage. But I wanted to play around with some resin and show you how to get this and this and do some things, okay? How y'all been doing? I've been doing pretty good, pretty good. I got these Dollar Tree stickers, you know, little pearls. I'm going to put some down in here because I did not fill this one all the way in on purpose. Okay, I never fill them all the way in on the first go because I never know what I want to do. So I'm just going to take some of these. They have a little self-adhesive backing on there. And I'm just going to like lay them down in here like this, going like this. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I was getting hip replacement. I was getting shots in my hip for a while. 2 years, going on 2 years, steroids and everything. And it stopped working, okay? Make sure that that's a little bit straighter. So I went and saw a hip specialist, and he was like, okay, it's Wednesday. We're going to do your surgery next Tuesday and totally replace your hip because I'm surprised you're walking. And I'm just doing whatever feels natural to me. Yes, so I had the surgery on September the 16th, and they sent me home the same day, and they got my prescriptions all mixed up, so I had to go the first night with no painkillers. Yes. Uh-oh, I done pulled one off. Yes, so if you can survive that, baby, you can survive anything, and I survived it. I don't know if I'm still my pain tolerance has gone up a lot more, even though it was already up there. But, yeah, it's just, I had to deal with it for like almost 24 hours until I got my medicines correct. Yes, but I'm on the way back. I cannot bend over. That's one of the rules to hip replacement surgery. You can't bend over. So, boom, I just stuck those in. Okay? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes. And I've already mixed my resin. It's right here. And this resin I've had for so long, excuse the bottle. It is premium quality clear epoxy resin. Yes. So what I'm going to do, it's already been mixed for 5 minutes. Please, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know anything about resin, if you're not good with this stuff, please put on gloves and wear a mask when you're mixing it. Have a door open or something. I have a door open, and I did have a mask on while I was mixing it. But I also always buy the good stuff, okay? If your resin smells, please do not buy it again. If it burns your eyes or anything like that, do not buy it again. Okay, and I'm just going to put this right along where I know it needs some. Boom. And guess what? It'll straighten itself out. Yes, this is also self-leveling, so I don't have to do too much to it. And my heat gun is put up somewhere, so I can't hit it with my heat gun. So I'm going to have to use my lighter because, again, it's put up and I can't bend over to get to it. Yes, and one of these totes, because I knew I wasn't going to be able to do anything for a while. So what I'll do is I'll let that sit for a little while. I have this right here, which is supposed to have been some glow in the dark. So we'll see, because I just mixed 3 of them in together. Bought them on Amazon years ago. Okay, I don't know if it's going to do it. Okay, I don't know, but I'll just add this to here. Okay, let's just do that. Yeah, so I am back, ladies and gentlemen. I'll shoot another video in a couple of days. It's just that I can't sit up for very long. I have to, you know, like do these exercises, and then I have to like put an ice pack on my leg, and then I have to like take a little walk and put this ice pack on my leg. And sometimes, you know, now, right now, honey, child, let me tell you, just going up and down the flight of stairs, ooh, wee, mm, mm. But getting bigger, getting better. I have a titanium, titanium and porcelain hip. Yes. So, I'm just doing the exercises, but it takes a while for me to craft sometimes. And I want to do a diva with you. And I want to give a special thanks to my girl, Shawana. She was like, I didn't tell, you know, I didn't say anything. I just kind of disappeared from all my favorite YouTube channels, but she knew what was going on. And I want to say thank you for being a friend, my sister. She's right. She might as well have been right here with me, even though she lives in another state. But yes, I want to thank all of the YouTubers out there who I have watched while I was recuperating. You know, Beverly, Petals, Crafting Guidelines, Try Guys, Irish People Try, you know, all of them. Cake Cooks, Charlie, you know, Will, Lighting and Decor, and so much more. And all the rest of you, you guys, you pulled me through it. Really, you pulled me through it. And you just go, I'm just going back and forth here, you know. Make sure I get out all that goodness. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And tomorrow, this will have cured up hard enough for me to remove. Well, I'm not going to remove it. I'm going to actually put another layer on here in a few hours. And tomorrow, it will be hard enough for me to remove. This is some really good resin. And I have some more. So, I want to use this up. And once I do that, then, you know, I'll put another layer on later on and let it cure up, and I'll see if it glows in the dark. Okay, so these, with this one, it has some rough edges like right here. All you have to do is like this, bam, with a little razor and go around. Okay, any place that's got a little sharp edge, and it's ready to go. What will I do with it? I don't know yet. I might take and put it in a window. I got to really go around the edges of this one and hang it up, you know, boom, boom. I don't know, but the glitter came from like Walmart. These came from Dollar Tree. Got this off of Amazon years ago. The molds came off of Amazon. My resin all comes off of Amazon. The little stickers that's on here, the little holographic stickers, came off of Amazon. Bought them for like 12 pages for one pack. So ladies and gentlemen, all I'm going to have to do, and I'll do that off screen, is hit this one up and hit this one up with my my lighter, because like I said, my heat gun is put up, and bust all these little bubbles and let it sit and cure and do its thing. Never take a torch to your silicone molds, because it'll ruin them and bubble, just burn them. So always use like a heat gun or a hair dryer, even if it's got hot enough heat, and you just pop up. Just trying to bust all the little white bubbles. Do you hear the trees whistling? Yes, the door is open. Well and ventilated in here. Ladies and gentlemen, telling you this is going to be a quick one, because I got to go put an ice pack on my leg. Yeah. So, this and this can be done up in less than 10 minutes, and you have something really pretty to show for it. Now, if I wanted to, I could take and wait for before I put the next layer on, put some more stickers on to this one, and then they'll be in place and secure just like these are. They're not going anywhere, and they'll be done. And I think I got these, both of these were under $10 on Amazon, but hey, create something pretty, and I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back. I'm back. So until we meet again, which will be very soon, dear diva, give me a thumbs up. Tell your friends. Share me out. Peace and love to you all. Everyone stay well, stay healed, and stay on the road to healing. Till we meet again, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. So I'm going to stand up very slowly, and I'm going to say, bye. See how shining? Yes. So everybody take care out there. Peace and love to you all. Bye.